Good morning, dear students. In this short video, I'll give you two examples of a directed graph and an undirected graph. And through this example, I'll simply show you what are the small differences between these two. First, in the red diagram, G1 is an undirected graph. Here, the set of vertices V of G1 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 because it has 4 vertices or 4 nodes. Those are 0, 1, 2 and 3 by red color. And here the set of edges is written by E of G1. E of G1 is equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2 because we have edges connecting 1 and 0, connecting 0 and 2, connecting 0 and 3 and connecting 3 and 2. Similarly, E of G1 can also be written as E of G1 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 and 2, 3 because G1 is an undirected graph. So, the edge connecting 1 and 0 can be written as both 1, 0 and 0, 1 because since the edge is undirected, it can take us from node 1 to node 0 and node 0 to node 1, and similarly from node 0 to 3 and 3 to 0, from node 0 to 2, from 2 to 0 and from node 2 to 3 and from 3 to 2. Now let's come to our blue diagram of directed graph. In the blue diagram we also have 4 vertices. Here the set of vertices or the set of nodes is written as V of G2 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 because it has 4 vertices. Here the set of edges is written as E of G2 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 3 and 3, 2. Because this is a directed graph, the path is from 1 to 0. And we cannot write it 0, 1 because this path is connecting 1 to 0. But we cannot go from 0 node to 1 node. We can go to 1 node to 0 node. Similarly, from 0 we have a path or edge which through we can go to node 3. But we cannot go from node 3 to node 0. Similarly, from node 3 we can go to node 2. So we have written as 3, 2. But from node 2 we cannot go to node 3. We cannot go back to node 3. And from node 0 we can go to node 2, but from node 2 there is no path to get back to node 0. So unlike undirected graph, here we cannot change or reverse the order of the points. In undirected graph, 1, 0 and 0, 1 are the same edge. Similarly, 2, 0 and 0, 2 are same edge. 3, 0 and 0, 3 are same edge, and 3, 2 and 2, 3 means the same edge. But in a directed graph, 1, 0 does not mean 0, 1 because 1, 0 means the path is from 1 node to 0 node because it is a directed graph. But the reverse path is not existed in this problem. Thank you.